Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but there are methods and ways to make a lot of money much faster. So currently, I make over $125,000 a month from affiliate marketing. I'm in over 300 affiliate programs, so I understand the business model in and out. And then in this business model, you are the middleman or middlewoman between a search and a purchase. So you're the one funneling traffic through your affiliate links and making commissions on every sale. However, it can take time to rank on Google, which is where most affiliate revenue is made. We want to make sure that we're not scraping pennies off the floor, just going for money in 24 hours and not focusing on building a real business versus grabbing $100 bills and making real money. However, getting a few quick wins can build momentum. And there are tricks and methods to make money faster. So in this video, I'm going to cover those exact methods, the new ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing in a lot quicker ways with your blog. But before we get started, I want to invite you to watch my free masterclass on how to start a profitable online business. It goes over how I make over $300,000 a month. Lots of students have gone through it. Make sure to click the link in the description below, sign up for that, and let's get into the video for today. The first step in making money with affiliate marketing is finding the keywords to actually write about and rank for. So this is finding keyword opportunities. Now we want to find keywords that aren't too competitive, because anything that's super competitive is going to take a long time to create the content, build links to it, and all of that. So how do we find things that are easy to rank for? So we have to find new and emerging keywords in your niche that you actually can rank for basically immediately. And knowing that, we can look and see that 16 to 20% of annual Google searches are new. So out of all the billions of searches that are done on Google, 16 to 20% of them are new every single year. So that's plenty of opportunity to find new products to write about, new transactional posts and list post comparisons in order to make this affiliate revenue. So we have to realize the opportunities are out there. We just have to know how to find them. So here's a couple tricks. The first one is low competition, best posts. So when people are searching for things on the internet, they're going to put in the word best when they're looking for products and information. So they're looking for the best laptops, the best credit cards, the best camping tents, the best couches, sofas, living room furniture. Anything that includes the word best is where a blog comes in and makes affiliate commissions. That is the bread and butter of affiliate marketing, is these transactional best posts. Now there's ways to find them, to find these new and emerging keywords that you can write about and make money on quickly. And we're going to look for different things in these keywords with their difficulty, their cost per click, and these other metrics. So first, we're going to use Ahrefs for this. So we go to the Keyword Explorer tool, and we can search for best. And when we search for best, we'll get all kinds of different things. And we can search the matching terms tool to see everything that matches the word best. So this is going to be really broad. Best buy, best near me, best movies, best air fryer, best coffee, best laptops, best CBD oil. Let's narrow it down because this is super broad. Let's find something in the niche. So let's go to best laptops. Best laptop. And we can see there's lots of different keywords here. Best gaming laptop, laptop for college, laptop deals, lots of different things. Now we can see that they're actually searched a lot. So this is the search volume, 63,000 searches per month, which is a lot. And the keyword difficulty here, which is a number from 0 to 100 based on how hard it is to rank, how authoritative those sites are, ranking and making affiliate commissions. And the higher number, basically where there's more money to be made, tons of money, there's going to be big media sites writing about these things. So how do we find opportunities that aren't as competitive? Well, we can use these different tools to filter the results. So maybe I only want to see keyword difficulty under 10. So this is like not very difficult keywords for best laptop. Now I see some interesting words here like Best Buy, Reddit and stuff. So I'm going to exclude the word buy and Reddit because Best Buy is going to be in there, Reddit's going to be in there. So let's just look at things that are lower difficulty that we can actually rank for quickly. So look at this, best gaming laptop under 1,500. Best gaming laptop under 2,000, best laptop under 800. Let's look at the best gaming laptop one under 1,500. And we can look at it here. It says it's pretty easy to rank for. It's searched 1,500 times a month. And let's see who's ranking in the top 10 results. So we've got PC Mag, best reviews, Dell, AMD. But we also have, look at this, laptopar.com, a very low authority site, laptopblogger.com, medcpu.com. Lots of sites that have no authority that are ranking on page 1 for this and making a lot of money. Let's try best gaming laptop under 2,000 and see what that one looks like. So that's searched 800 times a month, and let's see who's ranking for that. So similarly, they got PC Mag best reviews. But then there's all these sites like, this is a good sign right here, like ilaptopworld.com, a random blog with no authority, is ranking on page 1, getting hundreds of clicks to their gaming laptops under 2,000. So that's a good opportunity. Finding these keywords with difficulties under 10, and then that can actually make affiliate money. You can recommend laptops, which are high-priced products, and you just have to find these longer tail variations of the keywords. Let's look at another niche. So let's look at, like, if you're in the camping niche, we want to look at tents. So tents and camping can be a bit competitive by itself. Like backpacking tent is a 52 difficulty. There's probably some big camping blogs out there. But what if we went to max difficulty of 10? What do we see? Well, look at this. Best waterproof tent, 6 difficulty. Best 8-person tent. Let's look at that one. 8-person tent. So it's probably a decently priced product if you can fit 8 people in it. Search 1.7 times globally. Low difficulty score. And let's see who's ranking for this. This is the top 10 results. Again, very low authority sites that you can beat with decent content and rank quickly for. So like parkscollecting.com, thewiseadventurer.com, wildernesstimes.com, thegeekycamper.com, and wildernessredefined.com, all domain ratings under 30, sites that you can outrank and beat, definitely. So that's another one, just finding these opportunities, looking for things like, different long tail variations on the main term. So if you're in a niche, you can use a term like laptop or a term like tent to niche down and find the long tail variations of that you can actually rank for. What about if you're in the indoor home niche and you want to talk about the best couches? Well, how about best couch as the seed keyword? So using the seed keyword, difficulty under 10. And then we see best couch under 200, 500, couch for kids. Let's try inflatable couch. That's interesting. Let's look at the best inflatable couch. Very easy difficulty. 4.6K is the traffic potential. Parent topic and inflatable couch, so you can rank for that. And then we see there's some sites in here. You're always going to see some bigger sites, but the key is to find low domain authority sites that are ranking quickly on the first page. That's a sign that you can do it too. So here's one, FurnitureZest.com, best inflatable couch. We can see what this actually looks like. So these articles are written in a templatized way, and there's a list of different options, and then there's the affiliate link. So each one of these is an affiliate link, so you can check the current price, and you'll see that it goes to Amazon. So Amazon affiliate links. So that's the first way to, hack your way into affiliate marketing revenue quickly, is to find these low competition best posts with difficulties under 10, low cost per clicks, and that aren't competitive. So you can just go after these long tail ones with really no links and start making money faster doing this long tail method. Another one is called review hacking. So this is an interesting one. Another way that you can make affiliate revenue is through review posts. So not just best couches, best laptops, but actually reviewing the specific product and then creating a review post on that. So for example, one interesting way to do this in the software niche is look for products and companies that aren't that well known yet. So something like Bluehost review is going to be really competitive, or Dell whatever so-and-so PC that everyone knows is going to be really competitive, or ExpressVPN review, very competitive. But what if you found a company that no one really knows about? How do you find that? Well, what if you went to something like AppSumo, which has these random pieces of software, and then you sort it by number of customer ratings to see what's somewhat well known, and then something like, say, Rank Tracker has a good amount of reviews. What if we went to the Keyword Explorer and just put in Rank Tracker review? So we see here that the key is actually finding these reviews and products in your niche before they even get really search volume. So the thing with these keyword research tools is that they can pick up data, but sometimes it's harder to find the new and emerging stuff because it's so new that they might not pick it up yet. So if it exists and it says the volume is 10, it's going to be a lot higher. So you could probably get hundreds of visits a month to this article, because it's being picked up in Ahrefs and it's being understood in the algorithm. So that's an interesting way. So you find something like that, like a Rank Tracker. So I look up Rank Tracker, and then I just Google, do they have an affiliate program? So search something like Rank Tracker affiliate program. And then I found here that they have an affiliate program. You can earn up to 20% lifetime recurring commission when anyone signs up. So you write an article on the Rank Tracker review, you create your content, you add your affiliate links, and then all of a sudden you're ranking for something with no competition based on Ahrefs. There's literally not even a keyword difficulty score yet because it doesn't exist yet. And then you start collecting affiliate commissions that way. So this is ways to get easy wins and quick wins. Low competition best posts and review hacking are ways to get affiliate revenue a lot faster. So what do? Then you find and join the affiliate program. So you can just Google the keyword plus the affiliate program. Look for, you can Google the term and then look for affiliate links in the competing articles and what's currently ranking to see where the program is. And then just join your affiliate links into the top spots, into the top best posts, or in throughout the review. So then we have to create your article. So we can look on my blog for inspiration there, because basically you're just creating an article and templatizing it in the exact same way every time. We're not going to be creating and writing unique different types of articles every time. These transactional best posts that make you affiliate revenue are pretty much written the same way every single time. Same with reviews. So you cover the same features and the same types of things. So basically we want to create these in a templatized way, add 3 to 4 affiliate links per product. So number one, you might have 3 or 4 affiliate links in there for that product. Add a call to action button, and then use H2 and H3 headings for featured snippets. So here's an example on my blog of best translation software, a random affiliate list post. We see that there's the title. The URL has the keyword in it. The title has the keyword in it. The keyword is in the introduction. And then we get to the first H2 heading. What are the best translation software? And then throughout we add our numbers in. So it's very templatized, just like here's the first best option. Here's a picture. Here's some information. Here's some key features. We talk about the user experience, pricing, what we like, and that's it. Number 2. Now you notice this is a very new article I just wrote. It doesn't even have a call to action button yet. If we look at some of my older ones, you might see that it's the exact same format. What is the best one? But it's a little bit more in depth. So that's why you can always update this stuff over time. But really you just want to add in some content about the product or company you're reviewing, add a call to action sentence, and then a button. And these are all affiliate links. So you can create this in the exact same way every single time. So look at different sites for inspiration. You know, we gave the example of this inflatable couch one. You have the number, you have information on the product, and you have call to action buttons with affiliate links. So really that's how you create the content in a really structured and easy way, maybe adding 5 companies to that list and then increasing the number over time as you start ranking and making money. Then you just add your affiliate links, join the affiliate program, start tracking your rankings and affiliate revenue. So every affiliate program is a little bit different. You can Google it, find the program, join it, make sure to use like a specific domain name email address, not a random Gmail, increases your chance of being accepted. But every single one looks a little bit different. So for example, I'm in PartnerStack. That's an affiliate network where I can join multiple affiliate programs. You see that I've sold $1.7 million worth of stuff. I've made $461,000. I've got $46,000 pending. So you can view the data in different ways. Here's one like a WPX web hosting affiliate dashboard. It looks like this. Here's my link. Here's, I can just copy and paste that into the content. The text-based links are how you make the most money. Here's the money that's coming in. Or something like Bluehost, like here's so far in May 1st through 16th, $3,300, 500 clicks, 27 signups. So they all look a little bit different. Like Adobe here, over the last 4 weeks, commission is $1,790. So you'll have a bunch of different affiliate dashboards, and what you can do is just basically bookmark all of them, come back to them, check on them periodically. Don't check on them too much, you might get obsessed with it. But they all look different, and then you can just track your revenue that way and see how many clicks you're getting. You can also use a tool like Thirsty Affiliates. So Thirsty Affiliates is really good for cloaking your affiliate links. So you can add them all in one place into your website, and then you saw here that this like random code here is wpx.net/weird-affiliate-ID. You can make them look cleaner and nicer with Thirsty Affiliates, categorize them in one place so that if you change them one time on the site, it changes site-wide. So that's a really good tool to use as well. So that's what you do. You just track your rankings and affiliate revenue. But here's kind of how to do it the right way. So I gave you the quick way, finding the long tail, going after these best posts, going after review hacking. That's how to make money quickly, but that's not going to make you, necessarily huge amounts of life-changing money overnight. Could make you $100 a day in 24 hours if you do it the right way. But to make life-changing money, you want to expand your time horizon and don't get stuck in the weeds. So we can't always write just these long-tail keywords. We need to go after things that are a little bit more competitive, that might take some more time and effort, because this thing takes effort. The more effort you put in, the more money you can make in the long run. So expand your time horizon, expand your timeline, and don't get stuck in the weeds. Don't chase the long tail too much. I didn't chase the long tail at all on my blog. I wrote a lot of more competitive software terms, ranked for them based on really good link building and content strategies. So you can do that. You can make money in 24 hours, but if you want to make consistent revenue with your blog, you need to just don't chase the long tail too much. So these can get quick wins and can help you, but we want to focus on elevating it a little bit as well. You also need to create a content assembly line. So in my course, Blog Growth Engine, we cover exactly how to do this, creating minimum viable content, outlining, updating the post if necessary, ranking over time. Because not every single post is going to rank, but you need a way to make posts very quickly so you get the most possible post ranking. Then you want to create a link building machine. So I cover that as well in other videos and in my course, and it talks about what exactly you need to do link building, how many links you need per post, all of that stuff. But links are like the authority of the internet, the currency of the internet. They're a major ranking factor in Google's eyes, so you need them for certain posts. Not a lot of these ones in this video will need links because they're so new from a keyword perspective. But really, real brand building has the best long-term ROI, and to do that, We create a blog, we create content, we consistently build these transactional articles, informational articles, and just keep publishing. And over time, if you expand your time horizon and look past 24 hours, past 90 days to a year or two, you can really build a sustainable business for yourself online. And affiliate revenue is the first income stream of many, so it's great to start with because it dictates your content strategy. It changes what you rank for over time and the type of traffic you get and the audience that you build, which is really important in your niche. And then you can expand to ad revenue, to courses, to sponsorships, to email, to everything, YouTube, all of that. But learning how to do this and learning how to make some money with affiliate marketing with some long tail keywords is pretty important if you want to build to that point. So if you're interested in learning more how I make $300,000 a month with my blog, make sure to sign up for the free masterclass. Click the link below. Thousands of students have gone through it and had lots of aha moments. And let me know what you think of this video. Has it been helpful to you to find the new and emerging keywords in your niche that can make you money faster? Please let me know how much money you're making with affiliate marketing today. Make sure to check out other videos on my channel on affiliate marketing, blogging, online business, SEO, all the stuff. Make sure to like the video, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.